Welcome to XMind, unlocking your productivity.
Mind mapping is a powerful mind mapping tool designed to help you organize ideas, brainstorm, and manage complex projects. In this tutorial, you'll discover how XMind's essential features can boost your workflow, making idea organization smarter and more intuitive. Whether for work, study, or personal projects, XMind offers a versatile solution for clearer thinking and better productivity.
Getting started, creating your first mind map.
Start by opening XMind and selecting a blank map or a template. Add your central idea in the main node. From here, create branches to represent subtopics or related thoughts. Use simple clicks or keystrokes to expand ideas further. XMind's intuitive interface makes it easy to drag, drop, and reorganize nodes as your mind map grows.
Customizing mind maps, themes, colors, and icons.
Personalize your mind maps with XMind's theme and color options. Choose from built-in themes or customize your own for clarity and visual appeal. Assign colors to branches to group similar ideas. Add icons and stickers to highlight priorities, tasks, or important notes. These customization features help make your maps both informative and visually engaging.
Essential features, notes, attachments, and links.
Enhance your mind maps by adding notes for extra details, attaching files, or inserting links. Notes allow you to elaborate without cluttering your map. Attachments keep related documents close at hand. With links, you can connect to web pages or other maps, making navigation and research seamless. These features turn simple mind maps into robust organizational tools.
Sharing and exporting. Collaborate efficiently.
XMind makes it easy to share your work. Export your mind map as an image, PDF, or text outline for presentations and reports. Use cloud sharing or XMind's file formats for team collaboration. Whether you're working solo or with others, XMind's export and sharing tools help you communicate ideas effectively and keep everyone on the same page.
Tips for boosting productivity with XMind.
Maximize your productivity by breaking big tasks into actionable steps, using task markers, and setting priorities directly within your mind map. Try XMind's Gantt chart for project planning or its brainstorming mode to capture spontaneous ideas. With regular use, XMind can transform how you organize information, plan projects, and achieve your goals.